Over the Meguiar's Ultimate Shine, Insane Shine Protectant. This is the long-lasting, high-gloss, clean, shines, and protects. And there's 30 wipes in this. And the size of the wipes are 7 inches by 8 inches. You know what? I don't know what's on it. It's kind of like a competition to Armor All. I've used these in the past and absolutely love these things. They work perfectly. I keep this up under the seat, and I can just kind of like do a quick cleaning of like my dashes and around my consoles and all that. Creates dark, rich, high gloss shine. Contains a UV booster. How about that? For use on vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces. Pull wipe to use. Wipe on surface to be treated. There you go. I don't know how much harder it is than that. Ooh, I like how they labeled that top. Okay, so once you pull all the center out, I think you just leave this corner the way it is. And you see there's a little like thing right here. You're gonna just run this down like this. Now that's locked on there. There you go. So then that pulls out. There's the cloth there. It kind of feels like a dryer sheet in a way. That smells really good. That has like this, does it have a, it doesn't say that it has a smell to it, but that smells really good. And to take another one out, so watch how this works. See how that just pulls out? That works really good. So let me go ahead and let's shine up my van. Let's put it on my dash and see. I got a couple here. Let's see how this thing works. Oh yeah, that looks good. Oh, that's where you can really tell is when it's on this darker stuff. So look down here. Oh wow, that looks really good. That did well on that right there. Where it's like the black, it really pops out. So that's untreated, there's treated. You can see right there in the sun. I don't know how well you can see it in the camera, but this is all untreated. And then watch when I treat it. And like I said, this stuff smells really good. It's adding like a really nice odor in your car, van, truck, or something like that. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this van. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Ultimate Shine Wipes. See you on the next video.